The Nukatap filler is pretty sweet. It telescopes, so you can use varying size bottles. It's really easy to use. You can purge the bottles first, and then you can control the flow rate of the fill, the counter pressure part of it. Okay, so we got the Nukatap counter pressure bottle filler all set up here. I'm gonna come on, and I'm gonna give it gas by hitting the purge. And then we can release a little of that gas to really let that bottle purge completely. And then we let it go, so now it builds a pressure in the bottle. And then we start the flow of liquid. We're using oxygen barrier caps, so we don't get them wet because they scavenge oxygen once they get wet. So we're gonna fill this a little bit, let a little of that run down the side till we get our liquid level up to here. And once we get it up to here, I'm gonna stop the flow here, pull it up and out, and Justin's gonna give it a quick cap. Boom. There we go.
Counter pressure filled.